Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a groundbreaking innovation that's set to revolutionize the way we produce food. Imagine turning carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, into nutritious protein. Sounds incredible, right? Well, that's exactly what a company named NovoNutrients is doing. Carbon dioxide is one of the major contributors to global warming. Industries, vehicles, and various human activities release enormous amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere every day, exacerbating climate change. Enter NovoNutrients, a forward-thinking company that's leveraging biotechnology to address this problem. Their mission is to transform carbon dioxide into something incredibly valuable, a protein. Here is how it works. NovoNutrients use special strains of microbes that can consume carbon dioxide. This allows them to use the waste gas as energy. Ammonia is used as a nitrogen source. These microbes are grown in bioreactors where they are fed a steady stream of carbon dioxide. The carbon source is untreated industrial emissions of carbon dioxide and energy source is hydrogen. Bacteria themselves are the product. These are the bacteria that are naturally high in protein and other nutrients. They are dried and can be used as a protein meal or as a sustainable animal feed. This innovative approach not only helps reduce carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere but also offers a sustainable and scalable source of protein. Want to know how? Let's see its advantages. Number 1. Less energy expenditure. For the fermentation process, they employ thinner cylinders that are looped instead of using big tanks, which helps lower the amount of energy needed to mix the gases. Number 2. Comparatively less cost. They tailor the strains of microbes through natural, non-genetically modified means to the specific mixed gases that are available at a particular site. This can reduce the cost of expenditure. Number 3. Reduce pollution. The technology is extremely scalable. About 1 billion tons of food protein can be made from 2 billion tons of carbon dioxide. This can be a possible solution to the pollution problems for our oceans, climate, and food production systems. Number 4. Less use of resources. As the carbon dioxide source is from emissions of factories and hydrogen can be made from renewable power, there is less use of agricultural land, water, and fertilizers, thereby making this a more sustainable approach. Imagine the possibilities. This technology could help address food security issues, reduce our dependence on traditional protein sources, and lower the environmental impact of food production. It's a win-win for both the planet and its inhabitants. As we look into the future, the potential of this technology is immense. NovoNutrients is paving the way for a more sustainable and resilient food system where carbon dioxide can be transformed from a problem into a valuable resource. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the future of food production. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.